Okay, now it's time to add that page to our Facebook fan pages. Now to do that, let's open a new tab here. We need to go to developers.facebook.com. Okay, and then what we want to do is go to My Apps. And then what we're going to do is set up a new app. Okay, we need to give the app a name here. It can be anything you want. I'm just going to call it Gadgets U Home. Okay, that'll mean something to me. It means Gadgets Under $10 homepage. I'm going to agree to the terms. You should look at them here. Before you agree, create the app. Okay, we need to go through the security check. Make sure we're a person. Okay, now we give this a description. Just call it my homepage. Okay, here we can change the icon and the logo for this app if we want. This icon is going to be what's going to show. Let's go to our page here. It's going to be what shows beside down here. Okay, language. And then your email address is down here, your user support address, your contact email. You can also use a URL if you have a help desk. You need to have a URL where your privacy policy is and where your terms of service URLs are. You can put those on your blog as well, and just put the link to the pages in here. Okay, let's save the changes. Okay, now what we need to do is go over here and edit the settings. Next we're going to go to Facebook integration, and we need to give it the canvas page name here. It's just the name of this canvas. So let's put, I'm just going to use Gadgets U Home there. Canvas URL is this URL, the page that you want in here. Now if we're using a secure URL, HTTPS, it needs to go in here. Canvas type is iframe. Iframe size, we want to do auto resize, not scroll bars. You can put a bookmark URL in here if we want, and it'll use that bookmark URL. If not, it'll use the default. And next down here, we want to give it a tab name. That's the tab name that shows up in here. So let's just call it About Us. It's going to be an iframe again. And the tab URL is our canvas URL. So just copy this, paste it in down here, save the changes. Okay, so now let's go to Application Profile page. Now we can test it by just clicking Go to App. And there it is. Now we should sign out of that so that the bar doesn't show up. Let's go back to here. Let's log out. Okay, let's try that again. And there it is. Okay, so we know that's working. Next thing we do is on the left side here, add to my page. We're going to add it to Gadgets Under $10. Close. Okay, let's go back to our page here. Let's refresh. Go down. You'll see an About Us link here now. You click on that. There is our frame page. Okay, let's go and edit our info here. You can go into here. Okay, so we click here, and now we can see that our About Us is now appearing there. Let's save the changes. And now, whenever anybody lands on our page, they're going to go straight to the About Us page. Of course, we're not doing it here because we're in as admin. But that is going to be where they're going to end up. Now, if you click Edit here, you can move things around as well. So we can put that up like that. Okay, so we click on the About. Okay, so now as you can see, we have brought in our iframe page. So that's it. You now know how to create a Facebook fan page and how to use apps to bring in external pages.